How to add another Gmail account on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your Gmail application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in order to add the another Gmail account, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then select on tap on add another account. As a tap on add another account, you just have a tap on Google. And as a tap on Google, you can just mention your pattern or your password that you have added on for your application. Next, you just have to mention your email ID over here and then enter your password over here. And then tap on next, and then you just have a tap on the Google Terms of Service as I agree. And as a tap on I agree, it will lead you to a new page where you'll be able to use your Gmail account on Android. Just tap on not now over here and you have been signed in. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.